Here we are at the Dollar Tree. So let's take a look at some of their wall decor, guys. Let's see. Okay, so not too many of the Dollar Trees right now have them. So this new location still has some. So let's just look at these real quick. So this one, I'm gonna have to pull them out. This one says happiness is taking a long hot bath. And this one says family is a little world created by love. Isn't that beautiful? Then here you have the horse. Then here you have this flower. That's pretty. And I like this one. It says wash. This one says live every moment, love beyond words. And then this one says simply blessed. I like that one. I really do. This one says walk by faith. Home is where the heart is. I'm loving that background, that shiplap look. Bless all who enter here. And then this one is forever blessed with every breath. That is so nice. Okay, so let me put these back so I can take out the other ones and show you. I'm looking for some specific ones. So let's see if I can look at these in here without taking them all out. All right, that one says grateful, thankful, and blessed. And that one here I showed you. Happiness is taking a long bath. Family, one of life's greatest blessings. That one is coffee. And look at that peacock in the back. That's gorgeous. But first, coffee. Okay, brush your teeth. Happiness is taking a long hot bath. Enjoy life. Love more, worry less. I like how that looks. Family is one of life's greatest blessings. And this one, I like this one. Brush your teeth. That's really nice. So I'm glad I was able to stack those neatly over there. And here's another peacock. I'm loving that peacock. That's really nice. And so I'm also loving this buffalo check. So forever blessed with every breath. And this is another coffee one. Okay. And then this one says, bless all who enter here. This one says, simply blessed. There's the horse one. There's the flower one. This one says, breathe, relax, unwind. And look at this one. Every family has a story, and here's another one of those washed ones. So here is the Holy Bible along the top, and there are kids' color activity books back there. Now over here you have the chicken soup. So it says when prayers are answered. And then that one says life's lessons from the dog. That's kind of cute. Okay, and then this one says give thanks. Okay, the man in a hurry. So that's one. Okay, this one says give thanks, and that one says a complete guide to living well with diabetes. This is a new book, guys. I've been seeing that at the other Dollar Tree. So these guys here, I like these books. So this one says in time of comfort. I think these are those faith books. And then this one says choose hope. Okay, so these are really nice. You can place these in a basket or give it with a gift. The light of prayer. Okay, comfort in time of comfort. Okay, so these seem to be saying the same thing. And then let's see these. What are these? Because I can't reach up that high. Summer cooking. These cooking books are so nice. See? So let's see if they have different kind. So that one says cookout. That's nice. And then this one says salads. And this one says cooking for kids. So the purple one is cooking for kids. And so the green one is salads and cookouts. Okay, so we can actually have a little collection going here. So purple one, and here's the seafood. These are so nice. And then this color here is mocktails and cocktails made simple. So that's nice. Then they have these are the little kids books. Okay, so God made seasons. Isn't that nice? Aww. Okay, let's see. Then God made colors. Love these. God made earth, seasons. Okay, those are so nice. So those are for kids. And here's the little mini New Testament Holy Bibles. You can carry those in your bag. So this one here says the sugar book. This is definitely something new. I haven't seen this. So they have quite a bit of those. Let me see what's behind that, if I can get back there. That one is Fashion Encyclopedia. Wow. I've never seen that one. It looks pretty interesting. Then here, let's see, let's move this over. The Food Babe Way. Okay, then See All the Stars. That one is new. Playing Hurt, My Journal from Despair to Hope. Okay, and then that one back there says 100 Perfect Hair Days. Over here says The Three Stooges. The Three Stooges. That's so cute. Look at them. All right, so this is pretty neat. I like this book. For all those who remember the Three Stooges. Okay, so this one here, The Gold Standard. That's new. This is Gerald Ford, Mayday, and that one says Fragments of the Lost. These are definitely new to this. Well, I haven't seen them at the other Dollar Tree, so they're new here at this new location. But I'm loving the Three Stooges, for all those who remember those. And then they place these cards in here. Actually, it's a book, and it comes with the envelope like a card. I think this is so nice. So this one says Faith. This one says Pathways. This one says Do More of What Makes You Happy. I like these because they come with a little envelope inside. Look at that one. Very nice. And then they have the German Shepherd Virtues. So let me move that over to see what else they have. And some more of these book cards. I think these book cards are a genius idea. Okay, and then if you come down here, some more cooking books. Let's see, Food Made Simple and Cooking for Kids. So this one says here, Revenge of the Nerd. More cookout books. So we got a lot of cookbooks here. Okay, You'll Grow Out of It. I've seen that one. Okay, Madison's Gift. Okay, Man of the Year. All right, what is this one here? I'm Just Happy to Be Here. And then you have a couple of those Man of the Year, and that one over there says Old School. And I just showed you that one. Okay. All right, so this one here is Friends is Friends. That's a new book. And then this one says Before We Go Extinct, a novel. So they have a couple of those. And this one I showed you. This one says here, Listen, Liberal, Thomas Frank. And they have quite a bit of those. This one here is an interesting one, Complete Guide to Living Well with Diabetes. And here's some more of that one. So this one is Confessions of a High School Disaster. So this one says Ladder Top. And there's another one of those Food Babe Ways. So this is a new book here. Okay. And this one says Winning. Friends is Friends. Here's one called Happiness. This is a new one. Okay, The Crooked Little Road to Semi Ever After Happily. That's a memoir. And this is Wreck My Life. That's a new book. And this one over here, A Stone of Hope. That's a memoir too. And it's The Museum of Heartbreak. Oh, look at this, Fragment of the Lost. So far these books seem like they're new. Once a Crooked Man, a novel. And then this encyclopedia here, let me see now that I have it in front of me. That book retails for $30. This is a nice book. Look at that. That book retails for $30. I'm wondering if I should get that. Then here's a Better Body Workout for Women. And there's another one, that fashion encyclopedia book. Can't wait to go. I'm buying that book. Okay, Eat Carbs, Lose Weight. And then that one over there, Better Body. Then this one is a Vasa Night, a novel. Vasa in the Night, a novel. Okay, that's new. Okay, guys, so this is Nordic Walking. Okay, and I think I showed you that book, Man of the Year. Okay, guys, so this is what we have in this little section here of the new Dollar Tree. I just read you when we went over all of the books over here. Then always alongside of that, you have your crossword puzzles, your word finds. You have your large print, your word searches, your coloring books, your adult coloring books are along the bottom, and then that goes all the way to the end over here with the kids coloring books and the kids reading books and activity books. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I will see you guys in the next video.